Which lubricant is best to use in combination with the Nina Fox Mega Masturbator? With so many to choose from, I'll tell you the top tips for using lubricants. When using a Mega Masturbator, such as the Nina Fox Mega Masturbator, we would always recommend to use a water-based lubricant rather than a silicone-based lubricant. A water-based lubricant will give you a comfortable feeling as soon as you glide in. When using a silicone-based lubricant, it may damage the TPR material, so over time the quality will degrade. We recommend to use the Easy Glide water-based lubricant. Simply apply as little or as much as you need, and in the canals as well, as this will make it even more stimulating. And as always, we highly recommend to clean after every use. You can do this with the Easy Glide toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. Did you find this video helpful? Why not check out our other product question videos in our collection? Perhaps you have a question you'd like to ask us. Why not ask your question below and we'll get back to you.